Today I have another video about Electronic Silk Road or ESR brand. This time I ordered the Airpods cover and here they are. None of the rubbery stuff that you usually get from China. And while ESR is a company based in China, it doesn't feel like it at all. And in terms of design quality, it feels like it's an American design and manufactured using high quality materials. And added with precision molding, these highly affordable items can compete with similar items triple to quadruple of its price. Impressive indeed. The package comes with a cleaner designed to be used to clean the charging slot inside the Airpods. They also come with carabiner that looks really nice and impressive with matching colors. Just like any other AirPod case, you just need to put your AirPods in. I mean, how else you gonna do it otherwise? Unlike most other AirPod case at this price level, it comes with Magsafe, or they call it HaloLock magnet points. There, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can simply plop it onto your Magsafe charger or Qi wireless charger or HaloLock wireless charger. Other notable details include magnetic latches, cutouts in the case so you can see the charging status LED, and also cutouts at the bottom of the case so you can hear the speaker when you're using the Find My app very easily. There's also a button at the back of the case so you can use the Bluetooth handshake capability if it ever needs be. And like I said before, this is the best AirPods Pro case that you can find at this price, or at double, or at triple, or even quadruple the price. So thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.